In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch boards on Trello quickly and easily. If you're working with multiple projects, clients, or teams, knowing how to move between boards efficiently can save you a lot of time and keep your workflow organized. Whether you're a beginner or already using Trello daily, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate between boards without confusion. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Trello in your browser and log into your account. Once you're inside Trello, you'll typically land on the last board you are working on. Now, if you want to switch to a different board, look toward the bottom section of the interface where you can access the board switching area. This section allows you to move away from your current board and explore other boards available in your workspace. Click on the Workspace area where your boards are organized. Workspaces in Trello act like containers that hold multiple boards. So if you're part of different teams or managing different types of projects, you may have multiple workspaces. Select the workspace that contains the board you want to view. As soon as you click on the workspace, Trello will display all the boards inside that workspace. Next, look for the Workspace Views option. This feature helps you see your boards in different formats depending on how you like to organize your projects. Click on Workspace Views to expand your viewing options. From here, you'll be able to browse through the available boards more easily, especially if you have many of them. Now, to make it even easier to find the exact board you're looking for, click on Tags. Tags allow you to classify and filter boards based on categories or labels you've assigned. For example, you might have tags for marketing, development, personal, or client projects. By selecting a tag, Trello will filter and show only the boards associated with that category. This makes switching boards much faster, especially in large workspaces. Once you find the board you want to switch to, simply click on it. Trello will instantly open that board and you can start working right away. That's it, you've successfully switched boards on Trello. As a quick tip, if you frequently move between the same boards, consider starring them. Starred boards appear at the top of your dashboard, making them even quicker to access in the future. This small habit can significantly speed up your workflow. So to recap, go to the board switching section, choose your workspace, click on Workspace Views, use tags if needed to filter, and then select the board you want to open. It's simple once you know where everything is. If this video helped you learn how to switch boards on Trello, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.